What up everybody, it's KTG612. Today I am getting my chain and sprocket installed, so I'm going to my guy Luke right now, go to his spot, get this all installed, and let's make a video about it, right? Sounds like a plan to me. Alright, cue the intro. I've never ridden with Luke, but we are in a lot of the same motorcycle groups, like the local ones here. So I seen him post up something saying like, you know, if you need work on your bike, he's willing to do it. Got another guy that, I love you Chris, he won't be back for a few days and I can't wait. He's giving me a hell of a deal, but it is what it is, you know, you're willing to pay if you don't want to wait. I've never changed chain and sprocket, so I don't want to mess anything up. I mean, I watched the video on YouTube and I feel like I could do it, but hey, and I'm about 30 minutes away from him, so it's not a long ride. I'm 13 minutes away. I just can't wait. It's Friday right now. I want to ride this weekend, especially with my new chain and sprocket. I love coming down this way. We come this way a lot to ride it all the way to the Twisty 60s, so check out some of my other videos at the Twisty 60s. Riders are definitely out today. It's a scorcher though, it's hot. I was looking at my chain and it looks pretty bad. I wonder how much of a difference it'll be with the new chain and sprocket. And I just went with the stock one, like what I forgot what it was, like 4616, some 42, 4416, some. I didn't care about getting more acceleration or a higher top speed. I think it's perfectly fine the way it is, and it might actually feel better once I get the new one put in, because we'll take a look at the chain, but it's really bad. The slack is really bad. I tightened it a couple times, but it keeps, I don't know, it sucks. We are in Wisconsin. They're behind us, the riders. They're behind us. All right, we're almost there. Let's get it. I think I'm here.
What up, bro? How's it going? All right, y'all. I told you my chain was horrible. It's horrible. It's about to. Oh man.
Did you keep tightening it and it was like stretching?
Yeah, I kept stretching out.
Yeah.
All right, guys, get to sit on the R1 real quick. Let's check it out. She's a beauty. Oh yeah, it feels super light in between your legs just sitting. It's amazing. Appreciate it, I really do. Look at these awesome people. Oh, the bike feels amazing, guys. It feels amazing. Oh yeah. Alright, so I got the chain and sprocket installed, as you guys can see. Tomorrow, actually, I'm super excited because we're going to go to the dealership and do a demo of the R7, the Yamaha R7. So keep an eye out for that. It does feel amazing. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm loving the growth. I'm loving the growth. At the point of this recording, I'm probably at 361. Subscribe if you haven't. Like the video. Dislike the video. Give me some feedback. Have a great one. You guys be safe out there on two wheels, alright? Peace out.
How can I be able to see you?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I live right as hell. Don't judge me. My nails are.
Look for me. You about to be on there.